Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, just slide down the upper bar, slide twice to open it fully, and then scroll it left and tap on Do Not Disturb icon, just like that. And now your DND mode is active. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on the same icon one more time. But if you would like to personalize it, or if you would like to select some different mode, tap on this icon and hold it for about 2 seconds. And now you are in DND menu. Of course, you can simply turn it on and off here. You can also select the type of Do Not Disturb, so just tap on over here. And now you can select either total silence, so you will not be interrupted by any sounds, or alarms only, so everything will be muted except alarms. Let me pick, for example, alarms only. Then you can select if you would like to receive some notification when DND mode is turned on. You can, of course, switch it off. And finally, you can set some rules, some schedule. So for example, if you would like to have DND mode active on some particular regular events, just tap on, for example, weekend, this rule. You can name this rule as only you want to, so just tap on to activate it. Then you can change the name, tap on OK once the change is made, then select the days on which this rule should be activated. Go back. Now it's active from Tuesday to Saturday, and then select the start time. So for example, 12:30 till maybe 1:30. And that's it. You can also select type of DND, so it can be alarms only or total silence, so maybe total silence. And also you can select auto turn on if there is an alarm, so if alarm is set up during DND period, auto turn off DND when alarm is set up will be activated. Just by tapping on this switcher, you are able to turn on this option. Obviously, you can switch it off the same way. So let's go back. Now this rule is set it up, but if you would like to delete it permanently, just tap on it one more time and select the bin icon over here and confirm it by tapping on delete. And as you can see, no longer week is over here, so we just delete the rule named week. You can also get access to DND mode through the settings. Just open list of all applications, then go to the settings, find and pick sound and vibration, and go to DND mode, Do Not Disturb. Tap over here, and as you can see, you are in exactly same menu, and you can do the same things here. So that's it, thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.